Hi Ashita, hi everybody. It's
All right. Let
so nice
me
to see you all. Yeah,
um,
sure.
before I begin the next session. Let me just share. Um, let me just share a video. All right. There's a bad connectivity. We will continue our session. By then, I'll just see what has happened. All right. Moving on to our next
Amit,
session. Yes.
you want me to share the video?
We'll do it in a while after we finish this next session. We'll repeat the video again. All right. Um, all right. The next session, I was thinking like what to do, what kind of program to set in. I was speaking to Royal, I was speaking to Srinivas, I was speaking to Fiona, and then all of a sudden it struck to me. I have got my the bestie in Toastmaster, my mentor, my kind of encyclopedia in Toastmasters. And what should I say or what should I not say about this person? I have learned so much over the years, and being taken her as a guide, I have learned a lot. So, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Divyashri Gatti, and I hand it over to you, Divya. Over to you. Thank you.
Thank you, Amit. I mean, it's a privilege when somebody like Amit calls you your mentor. You made my month and my year. Thank you so much. So Amit and I go a longer way. I mean, even before he became a member, I think I met him much before that. And yes, Charita, Kirtana, every time your names came in, I'm like, it's all fond memories coming back in the minds. And I see so many of the people here who've been associated with Inspiron, and they are here for this milestone meeting. It means a lot. It means this club still holds a lot of memories in your minds. I see Prajwal. I think I spotted Lianza. So I've Yash. All of you are here. Jeevan is here. So I am glad that you guys are on here during the meeting. And yes, so I have a little bit of trivia for you, and it's going to be like a game itself because you have to guess it. Actually, it was not planned that way, but coincidentally, somehow the answers were given during the meeting. So it's like a memory test for you all. So we have this role of a listener, right? Somewhere somewhere the answers were taken or said by some other people. So it'll help you if you think you were not around during that time. These people, when they spoke, they somehow gave the answers. So my first question is, everybody told Inspiron is a family, right? Everybody called Inspiron like a small family and all of that. Actually, in Inspiron, there were a lot of people who introduced their families and they became members too. If you can name a few of them, that'll be great. I actually have six, actually, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 people who have their family members who are members of Inspiron at some time. If you could name even 1 or 2 of them, that'll be good.
Toastmaster Suresh.
Anita and
Son.
Suresh, yes. Suresh and
Walter.
what's the duo?
Walter.
Suresh and
Karan.
who joined Suresh?
Suresh.
Karan.
Karan, Suresh, younger son Karan joined. That's right.
Purvi and Shruti.
Purvi and Shruti, the sister duo. Yes.
Yeah.
Anita ma'am and
I'm
Walter.
not sure.
Correct. The brother sister duo. Correct.
Sorry, I'm not sure whether the son and mother. That is what's her name? She was the president of ProAct also.
Reshma.
Reshma.
Reshma, but Reshma's son is too young, yeah. He can't be a member. But he was there. He was there.
He was there. Okay, sorry.
And Anita and Walter Cordero.
Perfect. Anita and Walter Cordero. That's 4. Then you should remember this, Suresh.
Give me a hint.
Charter members.
Oh.
This one, Kuldeep Moras and John and his dad.
Correct. John
Yeah,
Moras.
Dr. Kuldeep.
There's one more pair, okay? But they were not around the same time. They were not there as members at the same time. But there is one more. You got 5 of them, right? There is the Corderos.
Akshay and his sister.
Diocese, yes,
Anusha.
Corderos are there. Diocese are there. The Vermas are here. The Morrises are here. The Matthiases are here. There's one more.
Naix.
Nice.
Nikes were never members.
No?
No.
Oh.
They were coaches.
What about Samina and Suresh? No,
They're
sorry.
coaches. They were
Okay,
members.
sorry. Those are the Nikes you're talking about.
Correct. Okay, I'm going to count till 5, okay? And the person who needs to know the answer is clueless right now. 1, 2, 3.
Is it
Four.
Amit and Jeevan?
You are right at one part.
Okay, I've
Amit,
got it. I've got it. Amit and Amit's brother, whom we lost.
late Ashil was a member.
Correct.
He was a member, and that's how Amit somehow got into Inspiron. So may his soul rest in peace. But Amit and Ashil are the 6th. It's a brother and brother duo. So there are 6 of them. Guys, you got it right, yeah. Clap for yourself. You've not gone so old, people. You're still young. Okay, the next question. Okay, so we spoke about division champions. We spoke about district champions. So Royal has represented the district, the division on the district platform. But there's one more person who has represented Inspiron. It's in the early years. I'm talking within the first few years of Inspiron. Can you tell me the person and which contest did he represent? So this is trivia. So Inspiron has been on the district platform even like 2 times in 10 years, not once, twice. And that's a rare thing for any club. I think apart from Winners, nobody has done it. Winners and MU, nobody has ever done it more than once on a district platform. ProAct also, I forget. Yeah, 3. We are like the second club to do this. Who has represented Inspiron on the district platform? I was searching for this video, but I didn't find it. But
it's a he, yeah?
It's a he. So I give you a hint. So Mangalore is known for its ladies, but the men of Inspiron have never been behind. So can you tell me who is this?
Up to district, huh?
Yes, up till district.
Is it MN sir or something?
If anybody had done a research in Inspiron, you would have found this.
Not immense, sir.
It's a difficult one, I'm telling you, but yeah. Okay, I'll give you a hint. He was a doctor. He is a doctor.
Akshay.
Akshay Dad.
actually never represented in any contest. But the source is the same college.
Lucius. No, KMC.
Dr. Bernard.
I think Dr. C.K. Balal.
No.
Never remember.
Was he a member at the start sometime?
No. Okay, I think it's a difficult one to guess, but I hope this answer remains in your minds. It's Dr. Vikram Raja.
Vikram Raja.
He was a student. You would not remember him, Amit. The year I joined, he was a VPA. So the thing about him was he was so I'll share this experience. I was attending my first division conference at Infosys. The one at Kotara, and he has given his speech. It was a decent speech. He came back and he gives me tips to write table topic speeches. I'm like, who are you? Because I had just joined. It was my second meeting in Toastmasters. I'm like, who is this guy giving me tips? And next year I became the VP and I was just finding about Inspiron. What is that things I can get? And there I see Vikram Raja, Toastmasters, district conference participant. I'm like, what the hell? He had, in that 1 year, he had never mentioned that he had ever represented it. And that is the humility he had. And as a person, he was a favorite lecturer for all the medicos. They used to actually attend his sessions. He was cute, that was the second story. But then he used to actually attend his sessions because he was a very effective speaker. And he would actually credit Inspiron for that. So that was Vikram for you. You would Google him, you will find him. He's an postgrad with medicine. Now, the third one, this is for anybody to guess because you don't have to know the answer. What's the age of the youngest, division director of division FL, whatever you want to call it? Youngest. You can take a wild guess on the chat window. Youngest of them. Because if whoever has been in Toastmasters, they know and Molly, no hard feelings, but they are more experienced people.
21, is it?
Not 21, yeah, difficult, no. It's so much experience around. Yeah, Prajwal got it right.
Is it Purvi?
Purvi, she was 23 when she became the division director. Back then, yeah, she's a byproduct of Inspiron and Infosys Toastmasters. So she was the youngest. So we are again one more record. Inspiron has the record of having the youngest division director of division F. Okay, this question you can't go wrong. The next one you can't go wrong. Who is the first president or the charter president of Inspiron?
Suresh Mutayes.
Suresh.
He never says this when he said, I'm a charter member. And like he's the charter president, he's the Santa Claus of the club. You call him whatever goody names you want to call him, you can call him. Because he's not only been a member, he's actually opened his house to us, the food, his family, I think Sonali, Karan and Vivan, right? Yeah.
Viren.
Have Viren, like, basically that family. And where he's sitting is exactly the spot where his bar is behind him. And and there's a flashlight behind. There's a beautiful light there. Over there you can see the part just above his head. It's actually a light. So you can remember, you can tell, I've been there like 5 years ago and I can still remember every part of it. So you can understand how many times have we gone to his. So that's the beauty of Suresh. I think we've had a lot of celebration meetings over there. Thank you, Suresh, for being there always. Anytime, people would bail up on a venue, Suresh's house would be the where you'd actually land up with. Okay, the next question, very easy one. You can Google for it. What is the charter date of Inspiron? What's the charter date?
29th June 2000.
29th June.
See, now the beauty of it is in the date. Okay, think 1 day before the term gets over, the club gets started. Think of the joy that would have come in the face of the then area director and division director of having this club. Okay, think of the joy. I think Amit, you can relate to this anytime. Any division director, I think Molly would, if she's around. I'm just going to check if she's around. Yes, Molly, how would you feel when your club gets started 1 day before the D-date? This is exactly the joy. He had 2 days ago.
Amit and I, we have just put the papers for concrete.
Correct. That's what I'm telling you.
It's going to happen this week. So.
Exactly know how it feels when you charter the club 1 day before. And I think Sukanya is over here. she was also instrumental in getting this. I think she was I remember when I was finding about Inspiron, everybody said you should talk to this lady called Sukanya. She was quite instrumental in making sure an evening club was there. So I recognize the presence of Sukanya over here. Thank you, Sukanya. And yes, that is the answer. The next one, as a member, you should be knowing it. If it will be great if you remember it. What is the club number of Inspiron? What's the club number of Inspiron? As a member, you should be knowing. So any member who does not know it, you better mug it up next time.
Okay, Royal, quiz time. Have you observed?
100 something.
What 100?
Not right. It doesn't start with 5.
16.
You're telling MTM number or what? I'll tell you it's 585650. That's MTM. What is Inspiron?
1600545.
5. Yeah, that's the Inspiron. So any member, it's an important thing to know is your club number. So current members, please make note of it. Okay. So Inspiron, I got this question when Kavita was answering this. So she spoke about that MOT session, right? So that as an MOT session. So I have a question for you. What were the actual venues in which Inspiron had meetings? It's more than one. You know, the designated venues as per on the website. There were more than one venue in which Inspiron had meetings. Can anybody tell me?
Sahodaya, IIPP, BMS.
PM.
Yeah, BM. BM.
Correct. Srinivas, you get this one right. You get this right. So Inspiron's first meeting, first couple of years, a meeting was in Sahodaya. And after that, we went to the free venue, that's the IPP hall. And then we are at BM hall. But before even Sahodaya happened, it was actually at IOC hall, which is opposite to the IPP hall. So the venue was it's like a basic circle. We started off there, went to Sahodaya, came back, and now we moved out to BM. So yes.
Divya, there was one more.
Which one?
There was one more. That was Roshni Nalaya, which you all don't remember. And we were given a classroom. And I actually spoke, I forget the name of that lady, I think Mrs. Olinda, one of those. So that was Trishma Pinto's days. So Trishma Pinto, there was someone mentioned her. She and me actually fixed that thing, and that was happening for about 6 months. After that, we felt we were back in college, so we changed the venue. Because each time they were we were in front of a thing. So that was one you have missed out.
Thank you so much for this.
Just before we started, or just
before
we got chartered, that was, if I remember right. So that might have been before we got chartered or soon after we got chartered. I can't remember exactly. But it was about 3 to 6 months. Yeah.
That's the venue again, pre-charter meetings or not. So I'm going to add this to my Roshni Drive. So basically, we have been hovering around the same venues.
Hello, good evening.
Okay, my last question.
So nice to see
Hi, Anita.
Hi, Anita.
Yeah, hi, Suresh.
Hi.
So good to see you after a very long time.
I
don't know
you
what
too.
I was interrupting. Sorry for joining in late.
No problem.
You came at the right moment. I have the last question. Which place has been the feeder club for Inspiron? From where have you got the maximum members till now? Record members, okay?
MTM?
Father Mullahs?
MTM?
No.
You've not coached members. You lost members to MTM.
Father Mullahs? No.
Not Father Mullahs. Father Mullahs, we've got 4 members till now.
Nitte?
Milagros, is it?
Nitte is it? I think the year which Kirtana, Shruti, Charita, and Yash and Srinivas were there. It would be like, okay, college vacations means all are there. Exams means nobody is there because you would have 6-7 members.
Kirtana's, there was another girl, I forgot her name. I think her name is Sumaya. She was in MRPL.
Saumya Samran.
Oh yeah, there are 5-6 of them together. Same thing happened in Purvi's here. There were 7-8 of them who used to come from the same college. So if the college, they are having an assignment, nobody is there. Otherwise, we had a lot of people.
Yeah, at one point the club was just with these people. I mean, the mid-age, 2019, 1920, all Nitte seniors and juniors together.
Correct. So you'd have the first years, second years, third years.
Yes, Shruti also got a couple of her friends once or twice, and then it was full of a Nitte gang in Inspiron.
Correct. I think 2 years we had literally like, if Nitte people are leaving, then who is going to be? Like, get people from your own college. So
Divya, there's another piece of trivia that you all might want to hear at this point. Just before Inspiron got chartered, can you hear me?
Yes.
Before Inspiron got chartered, before Inspiron got chartered, we considered merging with Milagris, because with Milagris we were getting the magical 20 number, and I actually had to present a case for that in the sense to the club, and that was shot down. I think people didn't want it because they wanted both to grow. So from that we got our 20 here, and they got their 20 there, and I think a year later, and but that's a piece of trivia you might or might not know. We actually considered a merger before, and then said we'll call it a combination of both what each one wanted. I think Anita will remember that.
Yeah, because both the clubs were struggling at that time. Even Milagros took quite a long time to charter.
Yeah.
How long did Inspiron take, Suresh? Do you remember? I remember.
At least, no, actually we were not getting the magical number, and then we had students that were passing out. So 3-4 years, it was quite tough.
Yeah,
and finally, I think we managed to get people. We went and put, literally paid their fees and said, you can pay us later. But we just registered. It happened in my office. MN came to my office and we just sat one evening after hours, registered it, and then we got our number. But unfortunately, actually, we couldn't actually have a formal ceremony. So that was a bit unfortunate, because it was that last day or something of the year. So we did announce it at a meeting. I remember I announced it at one of the common meetings after that, and there was a big applause and a stand-up, but we didn't have a formal, actual celebration. So that's something we don't have photographs, and we don't have any evidence of that.
Yeah, that's one bit of trivia I know about, that we didn't have a charter ceremony as such. It was never that way.
And this evening club program, the evening club idea came from Sukanya, I remember. Sukanya was the AD or something.
Thank you so much. I have no memory of all this.
Was pestering us, because for us to accept at that time to have an evening club was very difficult. But she was the one who kept on pestering. No, we should think, because there were quite a few of her contacts who wanted a club and they could not make it in the morning, so they wanted an evening club. So at her insistence, we started that.
Thank you so much. By the way, congratulations. I have to go. So congratulations to all of you. And thank you for remembering all this, because I have no memory of what I have done that time.
Yeah.
It's been so many years. And good to see all of you. Jacob, Joshi, Joe, Ashrita, although we are neighbors, we live in the same apartment complex, we hardly meet. And Royal, nice to see you. I keep getting his blogs, very interesting to read. And Suresh, long time no see. Kirtana, Srinivas, Charita, nice to see all of you. Zina, Divya, of course, is a member in my club. Off and on we meet either at ISTD or MGM. Yeah, congratulations to all of you, and wishing you the very best for a bright future. Hope your club grows. And thank you so much for inviting me. Fiona, sorry, I missed you. Thanks for the invite. Yeah. So I will see you. Bye.
So much. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, Sukanya. See you around. Bye.
Yeah.
If I may also pop in at this moment.
Thank you so much, Nikita.
So
Nikita was Inspiron's golden buddy partner when I was a president, as well as even this year, along with Rashmika's team. It's very good to have Manipal Udupi Toastmasters working along with Inspiron, helping us in our functionaries and role takers, and making our meetings fruitful. Over to you, Nikita.
Thank you so much, Amit. And it was really my pleasure to be a part of your meeting. It was really a warm and wonderful experience, and so friendly, and so, well, it was a different kind of experience coming to Inspiron. The moment you enter, there's everybody, you know, wanting to know more about each other. There's so many wonderful stories that are being exchanged. I will always remember Jacob sir's, especially his TMOD roles. Whenever I sit, and I think most of them, the time he used to take up the TMOD roles and all of his wonderful life experiences and all of Roel's stories. I'm really happy to keep reading them on. I don't get much time to read them, but whenever I do, Roel, your stories are the ones I don't miss. And all of you, it's really amazing to see. And congratulations on 10 amazing years. And if I had a glass, I would maybe toast you. But nonetheless, let me wish you 10 more wonderful years to come. I will try to keep on attending all of your meetings in the future as well. Unfortunately, if it goes the offline route, which is good for us as Toastmasters, but if it goes that route, I may not be able to. But nonetheless, I will always keep Inspiron close to my heart because it's been 2 years, 2 years now since I'm associated with Inspiron. So it's really been a wonderful experience. Congratulations, Fiona and Amit, and to the incoming board as well. So I forgot who's the incoming president.
Roel.
It's Roel, right? Okay. Congratulations, Roel. You have a legacy to carry forward. But I'm sure that all the faith that Amit and and Fiona and the team they have on you, I'm sure you will carry this legacy forward as well. So congratulations to all of you once again. I'm so sorry I have to pop out. We have another meeting to go to, but yeah, have a wonderful time.
Thank you so much, Nikita. Divyashree, you can continue.
I think I'm done with Metrovia, but there's one question which popped in my head when everybody was talking. Wherever Inspiron moved, right, they had one thing common in all their venues. Okay, this is something which you'll have to scratch your heads in. So I've told you all the venues. What is one thing very common in every event? And yes, you can't get this wrong, okay? You think, nah?
There was a Gujarati.
Come again?
I mean, since you pointed out, yes, was there a Gujarati in every meeting? Is that the answer?
No, Yash and I, share this bond about talking about something. So that topic should be very
good food.
Yeah, correct. So when we had Sahodaya, we had Retoria. When we moved to what is that ITP, we had you had Mangala, and now I heard real good things about the VM place also. So yes, anywhere we went, we always carried food along, either with us or it was beside us.
Session most of the time.
Yeah, we used to have a lot of after parties. I mean, can you believe it? You had such nice places around, and we still have. With that, Molly is going to kill me that I'm going to talk about food again. But then, yes,
Molly
that's how Inspiron has been with us. Yeah, thank you, Amit. Over to you.
Thank you
Okay,
so much.
so wishing everyone all the best. I too will have to step out. Amit knows.
All right. Thank you so much, Anita.
So wishing all the best to all the Inspiron members and the new coming board also. Suresh, hope to see you again soon.
Sure. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Prajwal, are you there? Prajwal? All right. Jeevan D'Souza?
Yeah, I'm there.
Yes. Would you like to tell something about the club? Your experience being in this Toastmasters Club?
Yeah, so it's nice. Congratulations on the 10th birthday of Inspiron, and it's nice to see you all. So when I had my first meeting in Toastmasters in Inspiron, it was in the venue was in Tagore Park in Bautaguda somewhere. So I relocated from Bangalore to Bangalore, and that's when I attended my first meeting. So it was a very nice experience that day in the evening, and all people around. And you, Amit, you came with the same dress with all your badges, and I was like, astonished and surprised that the club members to see the club members, and it was a very good, wonderful experience that I had on that day. and I was given a table topic on the same day, which I struggled to speak. I still remember, because all our experienced speaker I found on that day, and for me to speak on that day in front of everybody, I felt very jittery, and I couldn't speak. 2-3 sentences I spoke, and after that, like, I finished my speech. So later I joined the club, and I asked about the club, this one, all the things that were there. So then the meeting that we were having in the venue near Valencia. So it was a wonderful experience, and I thank Ashrita for being my mentor when I was in the Toastmasters, and I have joined back to the club again. So thank you, everybody. Thank you for welcoming me back. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Jeevan. Kirtana, your fond memory.
So yeah, let me just start off first of all with congratulations to the Inspiron family for hitting glorious 10 years, and also like I wish you all the best to continue another, you know, how many ever more years to come. And congratulations to Royal for you are the next president, right? Congratulations for that, and also the incoming board. So coming down to my memories, so when I joined, I think I joined along with Amit and Jeevan. So we were all we were onboarded at the same time, around the same time. And I remember how I came in nervously, you know, it's totally like new people around me. I don't know anybody through any means of, you know, acquaintances or anything. So I was very nervous. And then the moment I struck a chord with Divya first, and then it just went on Suresh, you, Amit, Jeevan, a lot many people whose faces I remember, but I'm not able to recall their names. So to start off with, it is a very friendly club. It has always been, and it will be, because of the members. And once you get in and get adjusted to the members, they'll mentor you, they'll teach you, they'll guide you, they'll evaluate, they'll also be very friendly, even outside the club, which is also very important. So I take so much pride in saying that I was also a part of this club, and the only club I've been to until now. And even if I plan on coming back someday, I'll definitely come to Inspiron first, even though I'm based out of Bangalore right now. So Inspiron is always and will always be close to my heart. That's all. Yeah, thanks a lot.
Thank you so
Thanks
much.
for inviting, by the way. I mean, seeing you all after so long, it's I don't know what to tell. I'm that speechless.
Thank you so much. Hope you're enjoying your Bangalore days there. And
not much. I love Bangalore. Come on.
All right. Anybody else would like to talk? Azina, Mohammadita, Prajwal, you're there online. All right. Fiona?
You said, what is the question, Amit? I mean, I was in a call.
My God, you have changed your looks, man. All right. All right. Your experience about the club and anything about just 2 minutes of your table topic.
Okay. Something which I'm very good at. Okay. Okay. I don't know. Yeah. When we actually walked into the Toastmasters meeting, probably initially when it was very difficult, there were like hardly members coming in. I think Divya helped me a lot initially. I think she was my mentor. I think most of us would relate to this fact because most of them were mentored by Divya. And the way she, hand-holded many things that time, the way she took over the leadership and all, it was something really nice. Okay, it was more like a family. The Inspiron was more like a family. And we had great experiences, during the meeting, and of course, it was a great experience that time. Right now, probably maybe after 3 or 4 years, I'm just coming to a meeting and you're asking me to tell me about what is my experience. I think it was more like a family that time. We had a great time. We enjoyed a lot, and yeah, I think that's about it. Yeah, and good to see everybody: Kirtana, Ashrita, Divyasri, Suresh, Royal, and Jacob for the first time, I guess. Yeah, Srinivas. Yeah, congratulations, Srinivas. Yeah,
Did you
Champions
eat
League.
Prajwal?
Right?
You look different. Did you just eat Prajwal? You look quite different.
Yeah. Yeah, it was great, and congratulations on the 10th year. It is a great landmark for the club, and I congratulate Amit and Royal and all the leadership team of Inspiron for doing such a wonderful job when it comes to this. So kudos to everyone, and see you all soon.
Thank you so much, Prajwal. Prajwal has already joined us as a member, as reinstated himself.
Amit, I'd like to say a couple of words.
Yes.
Yeah. When I initially joined, I think in 2017, I think 2017 or 2016. It was August. I remember Lianza was the president, and it was amazing joining. I remember I was supposed to try out two clubs. One was Milagros and one was Inspiron. And I came at Inspiron, and I felt happy right away. And the journey Inspiron has had ever since then has been, absolutely amazing. I've had the pleasure of meeting so many people. We've had so many amazing meetings. I remember there was a time when the electricity was not there or something, and we went out, bought candles. There was one meeting where I remember we forgot to inform. I think we forgot. I'm not sure what exactly happened, but we didn't have the key to the IIPP hall, so we had a meeting outdoor. I remember Sagnik
In
was
the
giving
Tagore
this.
Park, I guess.
Yeah, there were meetings there as well, but right outside IIPP hall, we had a couple of meetings. I remember.
Oh yeah, true.
Sagnik had given his speech. I can finally say his name right. And I met a lot of people. I met my mentor Divya, and personally, my journey in public speaking just shot up. I had the opportunity to represent Inspiron in the division level twice, and I had the opportunity of becoming VP Ed. I remember there was a time when we had 7 members, and one of the meetings there was just 4: me, Toastmaster Mamta, Toastmaster Joe, and it was some guests. It was in Tagore Park, and then from there, we because of the help of every single person, we went up to 28, I think at the time. It has been always amazing. Inspiron Toastmasters. As Prajwal said, it's like a family. We all celebrate after meetings, as Toastmaster Divya said. We all go out, we have fun, we eat. So Saturday evenings have always been very special, and it has always been an amazing being a member here. I know I did leave in about a year and a half back when I moved to Bangalore, and I'm glad that I joined back, and it's so nice seeing so many people here, like Toastmaster Suresh. Remember all the meetings that we had at his place, and as he said, the Jeep rides. It's nice being here. It's a remarkable achievement, and happy birthday, I guess. Thanks so much.
Thank you so much, Srinivas. Fiona, can we play that video? Is it possible?
No, my laptop is this one. I have to share my phone screen. 1 second.
Try it out.
You will see you can see all my details. That's the thing. Everyone will see everything.
It's okay. It's only us.
I think it is going on YouTube, no?
1 second. You can see my screen or what?
No.
You can't see my screen because there was network issues. So I logged in using my phone.
She didn't even share the screen, okay?
1 second. I don't know where to find it. Yeah, I got it. It's somewhere in InShot. 1 second. Should be here. No. Okay, then I have to open my WhatsApp. Can you see my screen now?
Not yet.
Okay, give me 1 minute, please. Okay, I don't know what has happened. Yeah, got it. I can see Srinivas sir. Yes, 1 second. I can see it normally, but when I share screen, I can't see that in short video at all.
Okay. Okay, we'll put that video on the YouTube then.
Yeah, we'll put it on YouTube and share it to everyone.
All right.
Yeah, that is.
All right. So Fiona, with that, I hand over the session to you, and you may adjourn the meeting today. Thank you so much, everyone.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you so much, everyone. Now I seriously miss offline meetings.
We'll take a picture. Yes, I have already taken 2 pictures before this, but I'll take Srinivas, come online. Yash, Jivan D'Souza, Zina, Suman, and Itaf.
I'm waiting for Srinivas to set his hair now.
He's laughing.
That's the epic thing. I was wondering how he didn't set his hair throughout the meeting.
Yes, Amit.
Hey, come on, enough, man. Come, man. Oh. All right. 1, 2, and smile. Smile, everybody. 1, 2, and 3. Big smile. Cheese. Itaf, yes. 1, 2, and 3. Cheese. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
It was a lovely meeting. Royal.
Thank you, everybody.
Yeah.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you all.
Royal, Fiona, everyone. Suresh, thank you so
Awesome,
much.
guys.
Thank you.
Thank you, Suresh sir, for joining us.
Thank you all.
My pleasure. Enjoyed the meeting.
Bye-bye.
See you all. Bye-bye.
Nani and the kids.
See you.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye. Enjoy.
Bye. See you around. Bye. Bye,
Bye.
Kirtana.